Hey everybody, how are you doing today? It's Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Super excited about our video tour today. So we're in a blue heron community. It's Oasi, which is Italian for oasis. And the home we're gonna look at is the Sancta, right? So I've been waiting for this model to open up for a while. We're right in the heart of Las Vegas. And let's go take a look at this house, shall we? Okay, so this floor plan, the Sancta, this is going to be between 6,200 and 6,500 square feet, 4 to 8 beds, 5.5 to 8.5 bathrooms, and they all come with a 4-car garage, sitting on approximately half an acre. So if you know anything about blue heron, you'll know that they are absolute luxury, modern touch, you name it. So we're going to start over here. Of course, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, that's my cell number, that's my email address below. If you reach out to me, you'll be getting me, you won't be getting somebody else. So I don't like to hand people off. I like to address people directly when they're wanting to get in touch with me. So we're just kind of popping over here to the side of the house because I want to show you these two garage doors. So you can see these are dark tint and they just have this crazy modern look that just goes with this house, right? Outside here, you got this cool little chains coming down out of the little rain gutter looking things up there. Got some stonework on the outside, lots of linear windows. And this front, look at this architecture. Look at these geometric designs up here. Pretty cool, right? So the entrance to this house, so this is optional how you're gonna see it. So as it's designed right now, you've got a four glass, 4 window slider, right? So, and this is the front door. So it's a nice little courtyard here. So you can see as the way this one's designed, you have some privacy right here. So if you want to hang out this front courtyard, this is going to be all the way opened up. Of course, the residents are generally going to come in and out of the garage, or this can be stuccoed off and you have a traditional door right here. So let's go inside. All right, so we just walked inside, as you know, because you're right here with me. Now, the shape of this house is a U. So in the way this one's laid out, we have 5 bedrooms and a loft. So since we're right down here in the kitchen, we're gonna explore this whole area. We'll check out the outside, everything. So just gonna pan this way right here. It's your main living room. You got a really high ceiling. And now one thing you're gonna notice in this house is called Vegas Modern. So you see these dark rectangular strips up here. So that's what's called Vegas Modern. It's where you're gonna see a lot of lights. You're gonna see your AC vents in there and whatnot, and they're gonna be all throughout the house. So of course, TV, got some more Vegas Modern up there. It just ties in all the way through, some stonework. And the countertops all in here is marble that's been imported from South America. So here's kind of panning around. This is gonna be the loft up here to the left. We'll get up there, take a peek at that ceiling, right? And then here we are in the kitchen. Now up on the top, you get the AC vents are right there. They're all kind of tucked away in this Vegas Modern strip design. So, right? Okay, this is gonna be a formal dining area right here. So this is how a lot of these homes are coming nowadays. This one's of course outfitted with a wine storage area over here. Beautiful center island. Got a little dry bar over here. And the way Blue Heron designed this home, you have mirrors all over the house. So you're gonna see this also part of that modern design, Vegas Modern. Here's your big old built-in fridge, right? I love how it's matched out with the cabinets. This is a Sub-Zero fridge. It's got that European flush finish material to it. Here's the center island, right? There's that Vegas Modern. So just absolutely gorgeous. Dishwasher, everything's hidden, you know what I mean? So, which is important in a house like this. And now on the bar side of it over here, got a floating cabinet that's mirrored on the bottom side, so it kind of goes with the theme of the house. Check out this 45-degree angle right here. Got a, what is this, 6-burner Wolf skillet right there in the center, right? Beautiful, this backsplash, same marble goes all the way up the countertop. Lights underneath, super important. And check out this. So here is a microwave. These are the 2 stoves, right? So these are pretty sick. You don't have your knobs and handles. It's very, very elegant. touchscreen. There's probably an app that goes with it too. So pretty sick, right? It's a wicked kitchen. What an entertainment area. Now back here we do have, this is gonna be the pantry area. So you kind of call this like a little butler's pantry area here. Got a little another countertop, marble everywhere. And then if you want, you have a, pantry door. Keep some more goods in there. So let's continue around this house. Now all the bedrooms are all en suites, so they all have their own closets, whatnot. Now, before we get too far, you'll see the finish. It's just flat, smooth finish all through, flat textured, all throughout the whole house. Now, this is 2 primary bedrooms in this house. So we come in, look at this roof, look at these lightings, right? And so this is gonna be the downstairs primary, which does have its own sliding 3-pocket slider that goes right out into the spa. Of course, you got some more marble, fireplace, got stonework, TV, lights, and then here's this Vegas modern all over again, right? So this goes into the bathroom. So the backyard is as much of a feature of this house as the house is itself. So all over you're gonna see windows and mirrors that keep directing you to the backyard area. So right here you actually have a mirror into the bathroom, or excuse me, a window into the bathroom with 2 mirrors on each side and then 2 more windows. Also, this one's laid out with a wet sink, a little fridge there, some more mirror, floating shelves. And then here we are into the bathroom. You can see we have tile work up on the sides. Same tile matches the floors, actually just a slightly different color. And then over here, we have these sinks. We got marble trough style sinks. And then here's that, window, mirror, and then a window again that leads you back into there. So from here you can see the pool, the spa, and from there you can see outside because you have another little courtyard with your own outdoor shower, right? So if you're coming right out of there and you don't want to walk inside, you got a little outdoor shower right here off the primary, right? Pretty cool, make you feel like you're on vacation while you're at home. Of course, we do have a freestanding tub. I do love the shale inside the house, it's pretty cool. Let me just get this door shut. And then you have this big old walk-in shower. Touchscreen walk-in shower. 2 heads off the wall, 1 rainfall, another little handheld over there, a little bench, some storage. Kind of get the rest of this bathroom. So you do have the 2 sinks, floating cabinets, vanity in the center. And the closet, this one is designed out but with blue herring. The closets all come bare, so you would have to design it yourself. But this is a model home, so it is modeled out. Just to give you an idea. And you'll see the bare closet in some of the other rooms. Speaking of, let's go check them out. And of course, you're gonna see shades. You got automatic shades on all the windows. Same here on these linears. Of course, we didn't really talk much about this, but you have another 4-panel slider right here that looks right out into the zero-edge pool that goes down into a sitting area, which we'll check out in just a moment. As we're back here, here's your washroom for your guests as they visit. Same marble trough sink, Vegas modern on that mirror with the lighting. Pretty cool looking tub over there, or excuse me, toilet, right? And then this is your laundry room. Got those mirrors, got a sink, and the garages are standard, so we'll just peek into one. Tankless hot water heaters, and then that's what it looks like looking out of those transparent garage doors. This is kind of cool too, right? Look at these handles. I don't know if they kind of get it, but they kind of got this like little, almost looks like a barbell type grip on it, so it's pretty neat. All right, so these are the stairs that's gonna go upstairs, but look at this parlor, this entertainment space you have. Of course, this is probably gonna be a bedroom option if you went with a slightly different design, but we're in a model house, so look how beautiful it is. This is a great bar if you're entertaining, hanging out. You got a fridge. And what is this? Trash or ice? It's gonna be ice. Some floating cabinets back there. Set up a little poker table as it is, and all these sliders open, all those sliders open, sliders open. Got that same mirrored look down below. Another living area over here, right? And since we're here, we'll pop outside into these two outdoor areas. So here's that zero edge off the pool, the little sunken fire pit sitting area. So I could get down with this, right? Some ambiance here. All right, let's go take a peek over here by the pool a little bit more. Now they are building a casita back behind us, so it's going to be a 472 square foot casita over here. Just a little bit more of this backyard. Got your little sunning area right here, obviously very shallow waters. And then you have your deeper part of the pool over here, spa. That look back into the house. Balcony, which we'll check out in a minute. Right? All right, let's look at this downstairs bedroom, the last one, and then we'll head upstairs. Oh, sorry, there's two down here. So we'll just kind of breeze through these, but obviously lots of windows, lots of natural light, super important. And we'll take a peek at the bathroom. Similar theme, right? Floating cabinets, mirrored, textured back wall there, window, beautiful walk-in shower. And then, so here you go, here's a glimpse of how the closets come. They're just completely blank. Absolutely nothing to see right now. It's waiting to be customized. And all the doors have this ultra flat finish on them. So just a very modern design. And here is the last downstairs bedroom. So we'll just kind of quickly go through this one and get upstairs, because I know you want to see upstairs in that other primary. Another walk-in shower. Sink, and there's a walk-in closet. So let's go upstairs, shall we? All right, so this is gonna be the loft. We're gonna see this in a second, but let's check out another secondary bedroom since we are here. Now, this community, I should tell you, there's only 24 home sites in here. They're about 30% built, so you still have opportunity to get in here. Very nice, very elegant. Those are tiles on the back wall there. Right. All right, so here's our loft area, right? Set up with a little sitting area and a pool table, and you can see it looks down into the main living room of the house. So gorgeous. You know, there's a ton of features in this house. Just so many features. We'll pop out here real quick, because you do have an upstairs balcony that overlooks the pool area. And right here we have the upstairs primary. So another large room, right? Really big window over here. Got another wet bar fridge, more mirrors, floating shelves, fireplace, stonework. Just really cool features all over it. And then coming into the primary. And look, they did a great job on this threshold right here. Big walk-in shower. A little different look on the sinks in here. These are above the counters, right? Big old mirrors, clean. I like the lights, how they're backlit from behind. So you don't have a ton of like can lights all over this house, and the ones they do have are very small. So 2 shower heads, another bench. And this is what we call frameless, so you don't see any metal. It's just glass. This is where the glass seams up. So the connection points are just on the ceiling, the walls, and the floor. Here's the other side of it. Big mirrors all the way around. 90-degree corner there, another vanity. It's a toilet. And so this is the final closet, and this is what they look like, just super bare. So this is just waiting to be customized. So that concludes this home tour. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. If you'd like to see this house, let's talk. I can bring you out here, tell you all the details about this home site, this community, and they do have other floor plans available. Always please like, subscribe. Thank you, Blue Heron, for having us out today. Of course, my contact information is below there, and if you'd like to find out what your home's worth or see about buying a house, you can hop on our website. That link's right below you there too. And we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.